Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about generating rows and table of data functions in Power BI. So there are four methods of manufacturing data from the scratch. One is rows, second one is data table, third one is generate series, and fourth one is table constructor. So let's discuss one by one. So this row function returns a single row of table with a new column specified by a DAX expression. So whenever there is a requirement of creating a single column table with the help of a DAX expression, we can use row function. So this is the signature. This is the name and this is the expression. This is the name of the column and this is the expression, that is the DAX expression. Based on that, this column value will going to populate. Let's discuss about data table. Data table returns a table containing a new static data. So whenever there is a requirement to create a static data from the scratch, then with the help of this data table we can able to do it. So this is the signature of the data table. This is the name of the column and this is the data type and this is the data. With the help of this we can create a static data table. This generate series function returns a single column table containing sequential value based on a given increment. So suppose there is a requirement that we need to create a single column table with the help of a sequential value based on a certain kind of an increment. So with the help of a generate series, we can create such table. So this is the signature of the generate series function. It is taking the start value and it is taking the end value and whatever the increment value it is taking here. Based on that, it will going to generate a table. Let's discuss about the table constructor. Uses curly bracket to return a table containing one or more column and the records. So with the help of this table constructor function, we can create single column table or multi-column table. Example is, and we can use this curly braces. This is the table constructor a syntax. So in this we are just giving what is the scalar expression and what is the scalar expression 2 like this. Then a scalar expression 1, a scalar expression 2, a scalar expression 1, a scalar expression 2. So this is the signature of the table construct function. I will going to talk in detail each and every functions which I have discussed here to create the data from the scratch in our coming video. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.